Ever wish your social media posts could make people stop scrolling and pay attention? These types of posts not just make Instagram users stop scrolling, it gets thousands of likes and thousands of followers. In today's video, I'll show you how to create those scroll-stopping posts effortlessly using SodaMarketing.AI. Now, I'm at the best AI tool that generates social media posts and ads, and I will create a scroll-stopping Instagram post in less than a minute. Click Generate, pick Instagram vertical portrait post, select the tone of voice to be energetic, select the language English, then type here your prompt. Create an Instagram post showing Donald Trump wearing a king suit with too many Medal of Honor. In the title write, if you want to be successful, comment success, then click Generate. Now SodaMarketing.AI is generating scroll-stopping posts for me based on my prompt. It usually takes a minute. And here we go. We just got super creative and scroll-stopping Instagram post designs in less than a minute. We didn't have to look through templates or even find photos to create such an outstanding design that can go viral on social media. As you can see, SodaMarketing.AI generated 5 different design ideas with 5 different color variations for each design, that total of 25 designs in less than a minute. Now let's take a closer look at one of the designs. As you can see, SodaMarketing.AI generated a super high quality photo of Donald Trump that reflects my exact prompt. And we have our page logo here perfectly embedded in the design. Also, SodaMarketing.AI generates a scroll-stopping creative title and subtitle for my post with a call to action, comment successes. All designs are also editable, and we can easily edit anything we want in the output designs with Canva-like editor or with the Pro editor, which has a Photoshop-like features. Amazing, isn't it? Now let's have a look at the generated caption we have here. Click on Caption here, and here we go. We have an amazing AI-generated caption that we can post directly with our design. Let's see how good is this caption, the king of success. Success isn't handed to you, it's earned. Medal by medal, victory by victory. Donald Trump may not actually be royalty, but this image says one thing loud and clear. Confidence and determination are what set kings apart from the crowd. That's a very good one. The caption also includes the call to action we requested in our prompt. Want to wear the crown of success in your own life? Take the first step by declaring your ambition, comment success below, and watch the world bow to your greatness. We also have more than 10 excellent hashtags for our post, all this in less than a minute. With these scroll-stopping, highly engaging posts, you can rapidly grow your Instagram following to hundreds of thousands of followers. You can also use them as ads to promote services or online courses, each design bursting with eye-catching, unique elements. Now let me show you, step by step, how to create more posts and fresh ideas just like these. Go to SodaMarketing.AI. You can find the link in description and in the first comment. Click here to create a free trial account. Enter your name, enter your email, and create a password. Then click Sign Up. Go to your email account. Find this verification email and copy the verification code. Then go back to SodaMarketing.AI and paste the code, then click Verify. The first thing you need to do is to head up to Brands and create a brand. For the sake of this tutorial, I will create a sample brand. This should be the name of your Instagram page. Then in category, I will select others. Then you should type here what your page is about. For this, as an example, I will type finance and wealth news. Then in the target location, I will select the United States. Then I will upload this sample logo here. You should upload your real page logo. Once done, click Create. And here we go. The brand created and SodaMarketing.AI automatically detected the color identity from the logo colors. Now let's generate another amazing scroll-stopping viral post that can be used as highly converting ad as well. Click Generate, pick Instagram story, add vertical portrait. Simply type here the prompt. Create an Instagram post showing a raccoon playing guitar in Times Square. In the title, write something like, if you are looking for success, don't bother yourself with what other people thinking of what you're doing. To build your career with, use comment, my career. Sounds good. Select the content, tone of voice, and the language and click Generate, and wait for the magic. SodaMarketing.AI is now generating the designs for me. Amazing designs with amazing AI-generated photo with many color variations inspired from the brand identity and the generated photo. I like this one the most. Let's have a closer look at our design. Click Preview. Looks really cool to me. Now let's create another one. It's super easy to do. We'll repeat the same steps. Click Generate, pick the design type and size, then type the prompt, select the tone of voice and the language, and click Generate. This time, I typed this prompt. Create an Instagram post of an ancient, beautiful warrior girl with sharp look world entitled, write something like comment to beat your competitors. Now SodaMarketing is generating the design for me. And here we go, amazing scroll-stopping designs with super high quality, You can use these types of posts to grow your Instagram account, promote your services, or market your online course, each one featuring super catchy, unique designs. Now maybe you wonder, how can I craft prompts like these? It's super simple to do that via many ways. Here is the easiest one. Just head over to ChatGPT, share some details about your brand or the purpose of your Instagram account, and ask it to generate prompts for your posts. Once you have those prompts, go back to SodaMarketing.AI, type them in, and you'll have an endless stream of posts with captions and hashtags every single day, all in just minutes. And there you have it, the easiest way to make your social media feed pop. If you're ready to get started, check out SodaMarketing.AI. You'll find the link in the description. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI-driven marketing tips, and let me know in the comments which design feature blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.